how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dabbing Santa. So Santa doing the dab dance. It's going to be easy, simple, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you're definitely going to be able to do this, all right? Grab a marker or grab anything you want. You can do it in pencil even. And that's it. Let's get started. Stay around for the whole thing. The whole video is only 8 minutes, so stick around for the whole thing, all right? And you will definitely retain it all. Before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw anything with Christmas or Halloween. Hit the subscribe right now, because when you do it right now and click the bell notification, when next year rolls around, you're just going to start seeing these cool tutorials on your feed every now and then. You'll be like, oh, cool. You know, it's like a cool reminder for next year. So hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. Alrighty. Let's go over here, and I'm going to go and start drawing. I'm going to actually just go curve here for the bottom of the brim of Santa's hat first. So right here, like so. I'm going to pull a line down here for the side of Santa's face. Curve line here for his eye. Curve line here down for his eye. And over here, I'm going to draw a curve, larger curve in the middle for his nose. Okay. I'm going to pull up the edges over here on the brim of the hat. I'm going to maybe wobble it a little bit. You can just draw it straight. It's not a big deal. And then I'm going to curve again right here. Line over here up. Line over here up for this edge of the hat. Curve up here. For the, obviously the hat again. Curve as the hat goes down from gravity. And then line over here on that side. And we'll draw a circle for the end of the ball of the hat. Okay, doing good. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw his mitten right here. So I'm going to draw a line across his mouth. His hand, his mitten hand. Curve out here for the front of the mitten, and then pull back for that mitten. Gonna go over here on this side, draw the thumb part of that mitten right there. Pull down, and then pull that in there. So you have that mitten shape in front of his mouth. Go over here, and then we're gonna draw his cuff, right? The cuff of the outfit of his sleeve. It's gonna have very similar. It's similar to the edge of the Christmas hat, right? Of the brim of the hat. Don't forget to hit that like, by the way. Hitting likes is like the biggest thing you can, if you're enjoying this or you're learning from this, absolutely hit that like button right now. Don't forget. Really helps the channel out. Curve here for his mustache part. Pull down. Go over here for the other side. Mustache part. Down. And now, so now we have our mustaches, right? I'll draw a line over here to that edge. Really, I should have drawn that mustache longer. I'm going to draw the outer edge of the beard, and that's what I'm going to do over here. Down. Down here. Over here. You gotta imagine it going through there. Line over here for the arm. Shoulder over here. Out to the elbow. Down. In. Line down here for his stomach area. Line down here for the bottom. And line over here for the side of his body, the other side of his body. So let's draw his arm up now, okay? Up. Shoulder over here, up. Right? Cuff. Side of the cuff of the the end of the coat. Right there. Mitten hand it's really just kind of two bumps, right? Mitt and hand. Square for the belt, square inside that, and then fill that inside square in. More or less a rectangle shape over here for the belt, over here for the rest of the belt. Right here. Down over here along the edges. And that's pretty much it. Let's go into like a little bit of let's thicken this line out. Let's go into a little bit of color here for Santa. All right. I'm gonna grab the red and the yellow. You can color it in anything you want. You can color it in colored pencil. Let me pick the yellow first. You can color it in colored pencil to so yellow right here for the belt buckle. I'm going to use the red here and more or less just kind of color all of this flat. But like I said, you can use crayon, you can use any type of marker, you can use... I would be careful with the Crayola markers though that come with the... Like I'm using a Crayola marker for the black, but when you use a red Crayola marker, like a Crayola, it smears the ink if you touch the black, you know, if the red touches the black. But on this one, the Prismacolor, it doesn't do that. You can just go right through it and it will not smear the black ink on the other one. I don't know why. I think it's just because it's a better marker, to be honest. So if you ever want to buy these, buy them. They are, where are they? Oh, they're on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I bought these like 10 years ago, so I don't remember how much they were. They're not, I mean, they're more expensive, but as far as art supplies goes, they're not like insane or nothing. You know, you can definitely afford them, I think. Yeah, you should be able to afford them. I might have to buy a new red soon because I'm using the red a bunch on like Spider-Man drawings and Christmas drawings. I'm like, I think I might need to buy a red on its own soon. Going over here, just more or less just kind of doing it flat. There's no particular style of like coloring this. It's really just kind of flat. Right on. We got our dabbing Santa, and I'm gonna grab a Copic right here, and I'm gonna grab like a beige for his skin tone here, which hopefully shows up. But these Copics are also amazing. If I had to pick one or the other, I'd probably pick Prismacolor, although I have worked with Copic more. And actually, there is one more thing. Take a very light blue. That's too purple. Take a very, very light blue and go through maybe the edges of the cuff here and along the edge. You know, go along the edges there, and it gives it a little bit more. Just go along the edges of it. It'll give it more dimension, even with his beard. And if you're going to go through any edges, go through like the bottom ones, but you can also go through the top and line them up. Thank you so much. Definitely hit that like if you enjoyed this dabbing Santa. Helps the channel out when you do that. The best thing you can do is to share the video. Also go check out my full lessons. My full lessons are on Skillshare, and you can go check that link out below. I go over everything from anime to how to draw portraits. But there's dabbing Santa. Actually, let me put a little red down here below his belt here. 1 second, just a bit to make it really vignette out. And like I said, there's always tons more videos on the channel. Thank you, and I will see you next time.